Assembly ekoso ene ewie ewo Lab FM abra omu interview Kojon Kansala win na omu interview no Lewin eka assembly no romu busa na assembly for movie industry ho na Lewin ka assembly o say enipa ba ko ntimi ma movie industry enko fom ana enipa ba ko ntimi ma movie industry masro na o de kwa adwendwen mu a na anu ya na Agya Koo ye interview Agya Koo na Agya Koo kaka say ono a oni movie industry movie industry kofom na say wo say ba with vim oba be hyane ma ama movie industry akosro etimi busa say lewe na asem na o kan ye no oni Agya Koo ana say ono de no o kan asem me wa Mr. Eric ewo me nchen wodi sini achi ache sini twa kunini ba ko pa no ono so we fi na mamenka wo ne short video bi o ye sofo o ko shane mpaboa okotua 20 cedis no ko be penses as na nye 20 cedis no o sa twa view kan ho e ya akra na se anti ya fa no 20 cedis sisama Mr. Eric akwa baba fidie so
yeah
emi anet sen
enye bad na so
Agya na dom kakra
ebe Nyankopon ase
Mr. Eric
Agya
enipa ba ko ebetimi ama movie industry akofom ana enipa ba ko betimi ama movie industry asaba so
we dey men ko amesempa
yesempa
me bro Kobi de obisa me nko ade ya meka se nipa ba ko betimi ama movie industry na akosoro the nipa ba ko so betimi ama movie industry nso abafom
hey
I'm telling you
chirem
as a chene say onyame wo bre bi a wahya ma nipa e wate asifo asase so wo yedie mu e wo stardom mu e wo asofodie mu bibie wo wiase bia
okay
enti for example say wo Kobi a wotiwe bre ya nyame ahya ma wa wuti mu se sabre no nyame de wo ye ana say obie wo so a obie hu opo asa obie ate nko opo asa fine so actor ya wo ye ana wo twasini untabo mu kura na abobo se ya esanse bre na duama wonti no obie hu kura o ti ana so bo ntabo mu kura na ayehe na osre enti no wo di bibi bebo mu for nkansa ye no interview no bo Agya Koo di
but no say nipa ba ko pe
okay and you mean so for example me di Agya Koo ebe ye example
okay
as a chene say ebrebi said the maker ya ne obi ya say your industry mu no Agya Koo director see etimi tro obitimi di lines best nipa say 10 obitimi say obi di line
ase no manya Agya Koo ni na twa movie
ni na twa movie
oh okay
obitimi to so be 10 bo no bi kwa wagya hokwa abrochi tiso oba ansana from no atwa so awu de person chano e dey na person me ka no say e ya brand na aso ama no sabre no obia wiase chese babia abrochi Ghana babia obia Agya Koo awu de person chano fine ana edubre bi susu no na akoyete say wabafom ana say o free industry ni mo o free industry no me can't demonstrate me bo say o free industry me say ni be 5 months bo so me benum ana you say industry no no free bi that's as yeba sabra no na nipa ni bi so no mo so bengelo na o mo koso a na nipa ji o mo ntre how
okay na bi mjina so
I'm telling you
na adwuma na mu kofom
na adwuma na mu kofom se be kajetia ye na niwe that time kajetia o mo wo nyina be dia dance obi a wo hwe me bia o program so e be dia dance sasa make e trodo asa no fe no akwa atofom say team 85 enipa oti say no se nipa no ka say e bia me say sorry na masaba be catch you say industry the best me say sorry because in 24 say so nim ya nim ye say the ode ba ye
okay
so nim ya nim ye nche the ode ba ye
Mr. Eric
Agya
say no ye break oni bibi
yeah
ye be ko commercial break ba ye ba ye be for movie director ba ko Kwasi Boadu
yes
na ye buso no so anu ase because ase me abro ma adwene me nti ase
aye trodo na maka che no nti I hope say oba be kana dwe
ye ko commercial break ye ko ba ye be for director Kwasi Boadu ono so ye ti ni twani a wadi sini achi ache Lewin movie Lewin fan in some kakra. I don't think far a movie or no director ye man Lewin cast asem no. Yakoba ye be frɛ no. No so ache na adwen fa saa asem we. Yen komra. Mahefo yakase akɔgye nkratoa ba. Yakwaba na yene director Kwasi Boadu ewa ahoma ne so. Director Kwasi Boadu ye nipa bi a wa direct movie a kyerɛ sɛ na me ka na asam kyerɛ mo no. Owa ahoma yi so. Director Kwasi Boadu.
Yeah.
Every year chiao.
But I'm a so na.
We dey osum fo kwabna esuma na ne wo kase wa koda ba akopɛ.
Okay.
Director movie industry. Enam nipa ba akoso ebetimi amana akofom. Anase enam nipa ba akoso betimi amana basro.
Kaba me da si na me tia se wa hwefo se wa tie fo nyina.
Omoje so.
Na person me say obi ka say movie industry no. Ba akofo betimi amana ba form, ana ba akofo betimi apagya na eni ka call kan o ye trofo.
Oh, okay.
Adwuma ne ye adwuma a ye ba akofo adwuma.
Okay.
Bonika will be a collective responsibility.
Okay.
We are not family, we are not family. At the time I said, we are saying, oh, young quino.
Okay.
Oh, young quina, and yet, which means I say, Macunin quina, man quina, and yet, and I was not a day.
Okay.
So, you see, I do not know a quite call from my Bakofo.
Okay.
What is a Bakofo in ye? A Bakofo, quantum consideration to me, I say, look, I am at the judgment. I did say, the industry players know. Then I can't boom, not the judgment, and that's our power. Microphone.
Yo, that enemy busawo. Na da na ba akufo ntimi mane nkoso na ba akufo ntimi mane nkofom na ba akufo tu kwan a mutimi di a whole script eto wo etwen no.
You see, cover adwuma na ye wo mu no dynamic view how to when you are dey ho be show. Because the ba form no, and I'm say enya factor ba ko na man ba form. And na be doing the car man ko na boy dia ba ko ni bi so. Na ya hwe.
We dey bo.
What you say?
We dey bo.
Edru ba bi ya mani pa bi kwan mo be adwuma ni mu a na ke ni kwan se fa ni pa be dom.
Ebi ti say why?
The question pa no say ni pa work sika our industry no the film industry no. Omo ni the technical know how about the industry.
Oh, okay.
And omo if I say omo adwuma no ni die pa no onso ni sika. Also the identity no. If you invest a good more I'm businessmen.
Oh, okay.
They pay for their money.
Oh, okay.
So after investing and getting back their money now, I'm just gonna say about the fufu.
No, I'm going to be phone shops. Can you say?
How about Mrs. Now, maybe I'm going to get the phone shop. They are family.
Omo is going to be phone shop.
Because the word money more scam. Instead, somebody this can invest to a money no. I'm the father the fufu. You see, I'm not a human of here to Janano. Investment of here, you woman Casano, with me investment in ye. And come about question, a woman man ever from Cassia Panier, yet a mode of distribution, a channel of distribution.
Okay.
Matter, put me from the unfamiliar urban from Nepal, February. If it makes the 3 years, 4 years, now I say you have so from hinterland, baby, something I'm moving a drew. But it's a fun money, and near Tono. Akra Kumasi, and me.
Oh, okay.
Aha, this is a share the channel of distribution here. Because you know, you can be because so from what a distributor, not as a distributor, not a marketer. Also, Bako, KGT, Bako, or Class Square. What sort of distribution are you making?
It's a crowd.
I'm not if you follow her, now, mode of distribution are crack marking distribution movies. No matter now, I demand to me and I say a penny.
Let's say I'm calling
the channel of distribution now, and also that one and I demand about them.
Okay.
And about problem my own back of games and said, I'm not calling and your message. Said we won't mean that about now or expecting different results, right? So say, don't say a blue baby, you see VHS.
Yeah.
And I'm migrating from VHS to VCD.
Yes.
This is saying Ghana for now, VCD now. That people say, sleep from your track, your card, to boom. Now they change it from VCD to a different time. If you can't get from VCD to DVD to Yanko. But and then no, okay, because there's the grabber. TV stations no so adults. Now it is a different blame TV station. They don't patch me on what decided. Different blame TV station. No, the one will be Asha. Then the kind of say Uncle CD. What I say?
Yeah.
And then I'm listening to Pankataso and Tiscanto VCD. Because there's not the brain, and drive on. If you're saying yes, from your trust in the this is not back from activity migrating from VK to VCD. You know, that means we migrating from VCD to a different term. That's why you go to try and say, if you say from the good studios.
Oh, okay.
But what is one say?
Oh, Matu was a palm.
And a side group, you know, marketing producers, marketing distributors at the year mafia.
Oh,
I said, what chat from Abba? When you invested the bear 500 million, 600 million, what currency? Now, we are just from some to amount. Let's talk about from the not to record this can actually turn you favor.
9 months to change.
I am man, so Nippon you favor, or currency, or there, if you are the men of the but no cranial background. But you want to die on a committed degree, and a true degree to see, after success is degree to see. TV stations be bring out the we don't take the bring out the TV.
That day, now I have one to be so case. Mabo one way, sir, they be your stars here, you who are we, they be our man, I must have no major TV, no sweetie, not a bit most one from Womo. And also, I don't know, you're not, I know the see some kind to say, I don't take this script at 2 will be. But let's face the fact. Significantly, woman, and we be any pine and you Disney, Edgeman. But yeah, director, how don't them be blown with them director and the producer? Everybody is saying a dynamic kaka. Sandy Pana and a bully data form, no. Time only hold near their top form, no. If you have young pressure, they can't get for the back. May not be any back of some corner or a could do from. I think your cow could do from. When I could from a car could from. Over that I think I from a car some corner room. So I am not covered with the family panel from a phone. Yeah. If you like to produce the dynamic. Now, you probably picture, young to be on panel. And I check before one a deco was on his peak, a deco on the peak. No. Now, I thought that only one night, man, I hang a me, I never used a deco in my movies. Oh, I think. When you must be a man, you said the cool mother. The trash can you say no, a deco would group, but you took a car, can't take a credit boomer. Among them, other boy deco so. In that time, I deco gen as many from them, but I haven't dated deal with one from San. I have that record, but I never used a deco. Oh, okay. If you know that it's here, I'll say, yeah, a bit dynamic, a bit science, I will never be book a crack. Because you could see back for Swan, the penny you buy. Yeah, I know. But there are equal characters beyond you good, who are bit me, as you see on. And I do that, this character is a jail do, and it's a mother thing I find you. Oh, okay. Oh, yes, there, what take a canano. Sabi sabi any so he Agya Koo any so ne Kojon Kansala so na asana de ne becho o ko question ya so kwasu ade idi na so say ye peka te so from omo a e pe say we zo mo so mo mo kakra no mo na comparison na see comparison no e mo that day boss paternity Agya Koo ba movie industry no ma e be sa akosoro ma tell you Agya Koo ba movie industry no ma e betimi asa abasoro na mianu no kreni industry anya back for there. Anya back for the but opian so who here industry. No, okay. Agya Koo at the penny juice. Fine. Agya Koo at the gin industry. Agya Koo time. Me not sure secretary dia born so you didn't hear me talking Agya Koo da. I can say this for a fact. Oh, okay. Since I mean many see am say yes you juma. Me not sure secretary dia juma. No who profit right in fact I marketable than Agya Koo. If you saw no Obama, you need and I don't think you read money. I have 4 minutes, Director Kwasi Boadu, and the Kasa. Na send your can and wow, Sumwa, Beshuma Sumwa, ye na ni ye die ntini ye pe so what I say Kuma wood movie there's a story ejane na so bie so what I say many Mr. Eric then I will catch what tie for no wa hwefo
oh me da hwefo ne tie for nyina ase ewo de ka de me kakra bi a itwa to ne se asma ye ka no enye te se e friend say industry no and our crew members no de obi atimi ye na bi asesese o eye bi anyame bi nipa bi so sa bre no a industry no koso obi a wa bonten no onim ade e wo inside and inside no obi a wa bonten a wo hwe sini no onim an say oh we ya de o oh we na that top o bla bla no de koto ni sini o see ade obi picture to album wachi no enya obi a wa bonten ni nim ade sa a de to picture chi ayi album wachi o enti edete fo nyina se mosomfo Eric ni so ru afimia me na metwa Thailand road su shange obi oso sofo bi atwa bi nti oje ne 15 cities no be program no wo wiase ba bia gise bia wa anhwe bi de nti edetefo nyina ase apagin sa no metimi aka
mosomfo ko bi mezini da sene ye be kwakoya asem yi hwehwemu de beba bia no ye be sa mama so ate don't forget to subscribe to this channel na current news ni update bia no wo so won sa aka